I do like how this case feels in the hand because this grippy texture, I mean, just look at it, look at it. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Speck Presidio2 Grip case for none other than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. And anyway, without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Speck Presidio2 Grip, and then we've got a clear sort of way to see through the box and see the case itself. It says warranty, microbond, 13-foot, 4 meter, and I'm assuming that's talking about drop protection right there because it shows a phone hitting something, and it says Presidio2 Armor Cloud, and it is of course for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Over here on the back, once again, lifetime warranty, 13-foot drop protection, and antimicrobial product protection right there. And anyway, let's just open up this box and see what this case is all about. I think these Presidio grip cases are very cool. I've reviewed them before for the iPhone, so I'm excited to check one out for the S22 Ultra. And here's the case itself. Let's grab my S22 Ultra and just put it inside so we can go ahead and do that. Here we go. And voila, nice and easy. It is on the phone right here. Oh yeah. So let's check it out. First things first, we got a Speck logo right here, cut out for all the cameras on the S22 Ultra. Obviously, it's got a lot of cameras back there. Over here, we have these ridges cut into the phone, these lines that are cut out into it that provide a grippy texture to the case itself. Over here on this side, we have the power button, and we also have the volume buttons right here. Over here on this side, we've got some more grippy texture, as well as also down here as well. Over on the bottom, we've got cutout for the USB-C port, cutout for the speaker grill, and also cutout for the S Pen right here. Let's see, can we still grab that? Yes, we can, so we can put that back inside. I'm also noticing over here on this corner, we have a little black sort of corner piece. Same thing up here and up here. We also have a cutout right here for the, I believe, the mic right here. And yeah, also over here on the front, we can unlock the phone, and you will see that it does have that raised lip right here on the top and raised lip right here on the bottom. So in theory, if you place the S22 Ultra down on a flat surface like a table, the screen should not be touching it, which is definitely a good thing. You don't want to scratch this beautiful 6.8-inch screen on this phone. But folks, I mean, I definitely have to say I do like how this case feels in the hand because this grippy texture, I mean, just look at it, look at it. It's pretty cool, and I also love how it looks. I think it's really cool how Speck makes this interesting design out of the grippy texture marks instead of making them boring. I just think it's a mean looking case. Mean, of course, in a good way. I think this gray color looks nice, especially that little pop of red right there for the logo, and I think it complements the phantom black color of my S22 Ultra right here very well, especially with the black accents on the case for the buttons and in the corners here and also around the S Pen cutout. So yeah, I definitely like this case right here. But now let's actually check out the wireless charging through the case. Does it work? Let us see. And yes, it does. So now the S22 Ultra is charging through the case. And anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about the Speck Presidio2 Grip case for the S22 Ultra right here. I definitely think it's a cool case. I think it looks good, and obviously it's cool how grippy it is. But if you guys want it for yourself, it'll set you back about $45. So it is on the more inexpensive side of cases right there. But definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourself? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And also, if you guys are in the market for your very own case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this phone. I'll have a link to that down in the description, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.